5 Air Jordan 4s that will skyrocket next year in 2023. The Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder had a lot of hype and a lot of demand to it, rightfully so because of the color blocking. This is the Air Jordan 4 Thunder, just with red instead of yellow, which makes it a lot more wearable for most people. These are very clean. The quality was nice, however the quality control was a little bit of a mess, especially on grade school pairs. However, the market has already gone up. These are closing in on $400. I do think that in 2023, we could see a little price increase. Even though they've already gone up, they could go up a little bit more. They're expensive, and they're going to remain expensive. This was a hype sneaker, and remains a hype sneaker that people truly want. They're black, they're red, they're wearable. Hey, buy them if you can afford them. I am expecting prices to go up a little bit more. This is a very clean Air Jordan 4 that you really can't go wrong with. Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. His link is down below in the description, and then leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. This giveaway ends in just a few days, December 5th, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Found Jordan 1s, and be sure to DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you did everything. Please make sure you guys send me that DM, because that's where I'll be picking the winner from. So make sure you guys shoot me that DM over on Instagram. Good luck on the Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway, and make sure you guys subscribe. Smash that subscribe button for free sneaker giveaways. Another pair of Air Jordan 4s that has already gone up in price. However, these have potential to do more numbers because of the wearability factor. The Air Jordan 4 Military Black. We have the Military 4s. You replace the blue with black, and you have the Military Black. So clean, so wearable, and they were going for around $350. They're once again at closing at around $400. Grade school, I remember grade school was going for like $200. Now they're closing in on $300. So hey guys, they're at a very expensive price point, but I definitely see them going up more because people are wearing their Military Black 4s. You go to the mall, you go out in public, you see them a lot. They're out there, people are wearing them, enjoying them. Quality is nice with the tumbled leather, the suede around the toe. It's a clean, wearable colorway. It's a Jordan 4. Jordan 4s are extremely hype right now, and I don't see the market really dying on Jordan 4s next year. So hey, if you guys are sleeping on the Military Blacks or haven't picked these up yet, you might want to do so, because I do expect prices to jump up a little bit more. They already have gone up, but there's potential for them to jump up a little more. We have another extremely wearable pair of Air Jordan 4s on this list, the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas. This sneaker is so clean and wearable. It's probably the most wearable Jordan 4 on this list, behind the Military Blacks. Those two right there are so wearable. But these black canvases, man, oh my goodness. Prices are low. They have not skyrocketed yet. They're going to. I expect them to go up to around $4, maybe even a little bit more in 2023 for the men's sizes. Grade school, chilling in the low to mid 200s. They got to go up to $3. So hey, black canvas 4s, you guys got to buy them before it's too late. I definitely expect them to skyrocket in 2023. The Jordan 4 market, the hype, the demand is there, and look at these black canvases. Looking very similar to the M&Ms, the Bread 4 without the red hits. It's just a very good Jordan 4. The canvas is not cheap. Get them in hand and then make your decision. Trust me, the canvas is not a cheap canvas. It's really good. It's thick. These are really wearable. It's a great colorway. It's a great color blocking. Don't sleep on the black canvas 4s. There's room for them to go up. Next up, we have another twist on a classic Air Jordan 4 colorway, the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy. Of course, these look very, very similar to the Jordan 4 White Cement. The Midnight Navies are going for like $280, $300, the bigger sizes, the men's sizes, and then smaller sizes, grade school sizes, are like low 200s. Grade school is going to go up to over 300. Men's, they're going to go up to 400. I think you guys see the pattern here going on for the most part. It's a clean, wearable Jordan 4. They look like the white cements. It's with the midnight navy instead of the way the black is on the sneaker. Hey, it's clean. It's a great quality sneaker with the leather being very nice and soft. They're wearable. Guys, don't sleep on the midnight navies. I know some people are right now, but I'm telling you, I think they're a very good, safe investment for 2023. It's a great pair of Air Jordan 4s that has not skyrocketed at all. Some of these prices already have gone up, like military blacks, like red thunders, but these midnight navies haven't moved yet, so there's room. And I'm telling you, in 2023, skyrocket up they go, if you ask me. So make sure you guys buy them now while you can, before it's too late. Now, these Air Jordan 4s, I had to pull them out of the collection to show you. The Air Jordan 4, a ma manière. What are prices doing at less than $400? I have no idea. It's a collab Air Jordan 4, and you're telling me that these are worth roughly the same price as military black Jordan 4s when it's a ma manière. They had Sneaker of the Year a few years ago on the Jordan 3, one of the best Jordans we've ever had. Honestly, it's a great pair of Jordan 3s, and now they came back with the Jordan 4, and if you ask me, personally, I like the 4s more than the 3s, but I definitely see prices going up. The Jordan 4 hype, the demand is through the roof. They have Nike Air on the back on a collab, which is crazy. Guys, quality is insane with the sock liner, quilted material, quilted upper. It's just a great, great quality sneaker. I definitely expect prices to go up. It'll take a little bit of time, but I do expect them in 2023 to see a nice $50 to $100 price increase. I think it'll happen. I don't see why it wouldn't. It is a ma manière, and they're back with a Jordan 4, the most hype model we have right now. So I definitely expect prices to go up. Everyone's dumping their pairs now. I think people are going to regret it later on, and prices, we'll see them climb up a little bit, I think, in 2023. I expect the a ma manière 4s overall to be a decent hold throughout time, but it's a very good pair of Jordan 4s. I love these. They're so wearable. One of the best Jordan 4s to release all year, in my opinion. This video is just my opinion. I want you guys to leave your thoughts, comments, concerns down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about these Air Jordan 4s. Do you think that these Air Jordan 4s are going to skyrocket in 2023? Leave a comment. Let me know. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Please make sure you guys enter in on the Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.